Hi, baby. You on the outside of our tent? Are you on the outside of our tent? Coming to see Mom? You can't understand why you can't get inside? Yeah. Yeah.
No.
You can sit on my hand through the tent. Yeah. What you doing? We've got a focus. There we go. We've got a little play tent set up around the napping futon, and really cool. It's from Japan, and the birds have decided it is their new favorite trampoline. Yeah, yeah. Woo, woo, woo. Hi. They cannot figure out why they can see us, and they cannot get in here. It zips up, so it's bug proof. And we have a lot of spiders in Arkansas, so I thought that would be wise, just so we didn't have any little surprise visitors. I wish you'd come down the side. You're so funny when you come down the side. Where you going? Where you going? What you doing? Yeah. Perry? Yeah? You gonna come see Mom? Oh, you gonna come see Mom? Yeah. You trying to get Mom through the tent? You trying to get Mom through the tent? You're so silly. I see those nails coming through. I do. Yeah. I know. I do. I see. You're being so good and so gentle.
Taking a picture.
I am getting a video. Perry's being silly. Pee-wee! Pee-wee's going crazy. See if we can see Pee-wee's cage over there. Well, come visit us, Pee-wee. You were just over here. You flew away right as I pressed play. You're trying to get through. Huh. You can see the holes are actually really tiny. So like, see, that's my. They're teeny, teeny, tiny holes. Is this frustrating you, bird? Huh? Is this frustrating you? Yeah. He's like, Mom. And of course, these guys have got super strong beaks, so if he was trying to bite me right now, he would be drawing blood. He's just playing. Yeah, he's just playing. We are nibbly little things. Yes, we are. Yeah, we are nibbly little things. Yes. What you think, huh? Boop. I'm gonna get those toes. I'm gonna get those toes through that tent. I'm gonna get those toes. I'm gonna get those toes.
Play. Play.
You play? Yeah, you play? Where should you go? You're trying to tear my tent up, aren't you? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna say goodbye. Say bye-bye. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go up. Yeah.
You want the poop.
Yeah, I know. They've been pooping on the tent, too. Oh, it's the unfun part.
Take a picture for the poop.
I don't want to take a picture of the poop. The poop is a lot less attractive than the bird. What you doing? What you doing? You know, climb up and down. This has been like the most fun playhouse for them this last couple days. They've been so funny. Once they realized they could climb on the walls of this tent, they went nuts. And it was only like $20 on Amazon too. We had to wait a little while longer. Like I said, it comes from Japan. But it was totally worth it. It was like $20 in free shipping, and it's awesome and it's huge. We've got a twin size floor futon inside of it, and there is still a ton of room, like on the side. It stretches. It's huge. It's huge. Okay. Alright, now we're really saying goodbye. I did a bird video and a review video, and I'm going to be really bad because I don't remember the name of the brand, but I will put the link to this, which I do not have an affiliation to in any way, shape, and form, and I will not make any money from it, but I will put it in there anyway, just because I reviewed the tent a little bit. It was a bad review. It was more for the bird. So, but I will put the link in the description of the video. Thanks, guys. Bye.